Jordan shoes na sobrang komportable, eto na yun. This is the Jordan Comfort Era Panda Colorway. Sobrang ganda ng shoes na to. Jordan sneakers na hindi lang pamorma, sobrang komportable pa. Ganda ng traction, magaan sa paa, soft cushioning, breathable materials, at hindi lang yan. Tingnan mo naman yung design at colorway nito. It's Panda, which is black and white color combo na sobrang dali lang bagayan sa kahit anong outfit. Kaya sneakerheads, ito talaga ang literal na wear all day. Sizes available are 8.5 hanggang 11 US, on hand and ready to ship. And guys, this is 100% legit and brand new sneakers. Mall price ito is 6,995. Pero dito sa Kicksale Dash page, you can get this for only 3,195 pesos na lang. Sobrang panalo na to sa ganitong price. Sa Kicksale Dash page, we can ship nationwide, COD or non-COD. Kaya message lang to order. Like and follow our page at Kicksale Dash page to keep you updated sa mga sneaker steals namin. So kung naghahanap ka ng